Ever wonder how your phone stores a quick burst of energy to power up? Or how those tiny flashes of electricity light up your camera? It's all thanks to capacitors, one of the coolest and most useful components in electronics. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how they work, where they're used, and why they're so important. At its core, a capacitor is super simple. It's just two metal plates separated by a gap. That gap can be air, a vacuum, or even a special material called a dielectric. When you connect a capacitor to a power source, the plates store electric charge. One plate gets positively charged, the other negatively charged. Voila, you've got stored energy. But here's the magic: capacitors don't store energy like batteries. Instead, they store it in the form of an electric field between the plates. When you disconnect the power source, the capacitor can quickly release that energy, powering a circuit for a short burst. That's why capacitors are perfect for things like camera flashes, smoothing out electrical signals, and even keeping your data safe during a power outage. The ability of a capacitor to store charge is called capacitance. It depends on three things: 1. The size of the plates, the bigger, the better. 2. The distance between the plates, closer plates mean more capacitance. 3. The material in the gap, different dielectrics can supercharge storage. C stands for capacitance, and we measure it in farads. Capacitance means charge per voltage. It is calculated by dividing charge with voltage of the two plates. Voltage of the two plates depends on the power of electric field and distance and will be discussed in the next video. However, we can calculate the amount of electricity we can store with the displayed equation. You'll find capacitors everywhere: in power supplies, touch screens, electric vehicles, and even your microwave. They're the unsung heroes of modern tech, quietly storing and releasing energy whenever it's needed. Capacitors might be small, but they're mighty. So, the next time you power up your gadgets, remember there's probably a capacitor making it all work behind the scenes. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me for more fun physics and tech deep dives. See you next time.